friends, it's Miss Sarah and welcome to our last character craft of the year. This month we're going to do Llama Llama, and I'm going to go through everything that your kit comes with before we read our books and sing our song. So the first thing your kit's going to come with is the template to make your very own little llama ears. You're going to cut them out, color them, and it says here, this little llama loves to, and you're going to put your favorite thing to do right underneath. Mine is to read, so I put read. You'll see this is what the template looks like. The next thing you're going to have is the letter L for llama, so we can practice that. And it comes with a green piece of construction paper for your background. What you're going to do is color it, design it, put stars in it, any color, your favorite color, and cut it out. And mine looks like this. With your remaining scrap that's surrounding your L, all of this space here, you can make his legs, his tail, his face, and his little ears. That way you can learn the letter L. Alright, so we have that. The next thing you're going to have is your very own set of pajamas. So you can guess that we're going to read Llama Llama Red Pajamas. So with this pajama, you're going to design your very own pair of pajamas. Alright. And then our kit's going to come with a game. You'll have 2 of these so that you can play with a friend or a sibling or a grown-up. What you'll do is you'll cut out all of the llama's pieces, and you'll just need your own die from home or one of your board games that you have, and you're going to roll the die. Whichever one it rolls with, if you roll a 1, you're going to add his ears. So you'll just take his ears and you'll put them where they go, but as you play with a friend or family member, you can try to race to make sure you can build your llama before they do. Okay, we have that, and then we just have a whole bunch of fun little activities, coloring, a maze, drawing your very own favorite character in the book, and we're just going to practice our alphabet today. All right, friends, so we have all of those fun crafts. Take this little guy off so he doesn't fall. And the first book we're going to read is Llama Llama Red Pajama. All right, ready, friends? Llama Llama Red Pajama reads a story with his mama. Mama kisses baby's hair, Mama Llama goes downstairs. Look, he has his own little stuffed llama. How cute. Llama Llama Red Pajama feels alone without his mama. Baby llama wants a drink. Mama's at the kitchen sink. Llama Llama Red Pajama calls down to his llama mama. Mama says she'll be up soon. Baby llama hums a tune. Look at them yelling at each other all the way upstairs. Llama Llama Red Pajama waiting for his mama. Mama isn't coming yet. Baby llama starts to fret. Uh-oh. Wonder what's keeping Mama Llama. Llama Llama Red Pajama whispers softly for his mama. Mama Llama hears the phone. Baby llama starts to moan. Uh-oh. Looks like Llama Llama's being a little impatient with Mama. Llama Llama Red Pajama listens quiet for his mama. What is Mama Llama doing? Baby llama starts boo-hooing. Oh no. Oh, we've got a sad llama. Llama Llama Red Pajama hollers loudly for his mama. Baby llama stomps and pouts. Baby llama jumps and shouts. Ooh, he's not being a very good llama, is he, friends? Llama Llama Red Pajama in the dark without his mama. Eyes wide open, covers drawn. What if Mama Llama's gone? What do you think, friends? You think Mama Llama's gone? I don't know. Llama Llama, red pajama, weeping, wailing for his mama. Will his mama ever come? Mama Llama, run, run, run. So it looks like the mama's running. She dropped everything to go see her baby llama. Baby llama, what a tizzy. Sometimes mama's very busy. Please stop all this llama drama and be patient for your mama. Uh-oh. Mama doesn't look happy, does she? Little llama, don't you know, Mama Llama loves you so? Mama Llama's always near, even if she's not right here. Llama Llama, red pajama, gets 2 kisses from his mama, snuggles pillow soft and deep. Baby llama goes to sleep. Well, that's the end, my friends. That's Llama Llama, red pajama. Good listening ears. So if you will take out your lyrics, your song lyrics today, well, we're gonna kind of sing Happy Llama, Sad Llama. So we're gonna have to get our little hands out that look like a llama, and I'll show you through the steps, and then you'll be able to do it yourself. It's a really quick song, but it's super fun. All right, so we have Happy Llama, Sad Llama. Go put your hands down. And then Totally Rad Llama. Then we have Super Llama. And we're gonna get out 2 llamas. Drama Llama. We'll put our fingers down. Big, fat Mama Llama. And that is our llamas. Ready, friends? So let's get our llama fingers out. So we have Happy Llama, Sad Llama, Totally Rad Llama. We have Super Llama, 2 of them, Drama Llama, Big Fat Mama Llama. So one more time, because it's super quick before we read our last book. All right, so fingers out. We have Happy Llama, Sad Llama, Totally Rad Llama, Super Llama, Drama Llama, Big Fat Mama Llama. Good job, friends. It's a great way to learn our finger movements. All right, so for our last book, we have Llama Llama, Mad at Mama. Llama Llama having fun, blocks and puzzles in the sun. Time to shop, it's Saturday. Llama Llama wants to play. First the shopping, then a treat. Mama Llama gets the seat. Llama dreaming in the car. Wake up, here we are. Great big building, great big signs, lots of aisles, lots of lines. Llama Llama out with Mama, shopping at the Shop-O-Rama. Yucky music, great big feet, ladies smelling way too sweet. Look at knees and stand in line. Llama Llama starts to whine. Uh-oh. Clearance sales and discount buys. What is little llama's size? Try it on and take it off. Pull and wiggle, itch and cough. Oh, does not like to try and close, does he, my friends? Shirts and jackets, pants and shoes. Does this sweater come in blue? Brand new socks and underwear? Llama Llama does not care. Doesn't look like he likes shopping either, does he? Cheesy puffs and oaty crunch. What would Llama like for lunch? Llama Llama doesn't know. Llama Llama wants to go. Loaf of bread and cream of wheat. Llama Llama wants his treat. It's no fun at Shop-O-Rama. Llama Llama mad at Mama. Oh, look at him pouting. That's not very nice. Flying pasta, spraying juice, paper towels rolling loose, coffee, bread, and chips galore, shoes and sweaters hit the floor. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, my friends. Crash the cart and smash the signs. No more waiting, no more lines. Out go socks and cheesy puffs. Llama Llama, that's enough. Oh, look at all of that mess he made. That is not a good llama. Please stop fussing, little llama. No more of this llama drama. I think shopping's boring too, but at least I'm here with you. Let's see if we can make this fun and get the llama shopping done. Let's be a team at Shop-O-Rama. Llama Llama shops with mama. Sweep up pasta, mop up juice, wrap up towels rolling loose. Pick up puffs and find the socks, put the shoes back in the box. Push the cart with Mama Llama, almost done at Shop-O-Rama. See, did a good job, friends. He cleaned up all of his mess. Time to leave. The shopping's done. No more waiting. Time for fun. Out to parking, not too far. Where did Mama leave the car? Snap the buckle, grab the box, put on brand new shoes and socks. Say goodbye to Shop-O-Rama. Llama Llama loves his mama. Looks like good ice cream. All right, friends, so that was a really quick book, but that is the end of our stories. I hope you have a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed our fun little Llama Llama song, and we'll see you in the fall for our next character craft. Bye, friends. Have a great day.